And obviously, it turns into a kind of dirty Hollywood Road path, a fire road, and then it comes into this dirt trail where I am right now. Back in that direction, you're going to eventually reach the position of the power station. And over to our west here, actually where you're looking, you got to get it to Topanga as well. So it's the size of the fire itself, because we are in an area where it's essentially kind of branching out. It seems as though they have a great handle on the fire. And you're going to first here look total apart this area to create this kind of dirt path that's around, and then obviously has the area of the range on the west side that hasn't burned yet. But check this out here. Let's look to the left. This has all been burned already to our east. And if you come up the hill here, you take a couple steps in this direction. And this pink stuff you're seeing on the ground here, this is the retardant that the planes are dropping down. And this shows you exactly where we are, that they're trying to stop the fire itself from passing this fire road and getting to that side where you can